How's it going, friends and family? I'm about to announce the largest discount and promo that I have ever done here on YouTube since starting this business 3 years ago. And this is going to be live immediately after you see this video. Now, guys, the thing that I have seen the most success in is people being able to join the live trading platform to see myself and Ron literally go live, analyze the market with buy and sell signals, but also using the techniques that I'm doing that are seeing dramatic results in so many individuals. You know, this is a screenshot of just a few people that are just from this live session this morning, 900, a few $100s, thousands of dollars. And it's just incredible. I need you guys to understand that I'm here and dedicated with this. So what is this big deal? I can't believe I'm actually doing this. But right now, anyone who goes over to the live trading session and you end up joining us, this is still at this price. You're not paying above, this is here. And you subscribe, what I want you to do is only go through the live educational platform, go ahead and go through, but you're going to get an email right afterwards. That's going to give you 50% off all the metrics that I use to make the decisions in the market for life. This is a one-time, lifetime price, and you're still going to get 50% off of this right now. So the way to do this, in the description of this video, you want to click the one, I'll put it on top to make it easier for this video, for the live trading session. If it ends up populating to here, I want you to go ahead and just delete the other one and go through live education. Right when you go through pay, I'm going to send you an email right afterwards that has a promo code. When you go over to My Future Success and click I want this, I want you to go ahead and remove the live one because you just purchased that, and you need to input the promo code that I gave you, and this will give you 50% off immediately. Guys, I hope you know that I am not here for a big money play. $99 for these metrics is extremely cheap. There's people that would sell this for $400, $1,000. It's my number one question. I would rather hit 100,000 people at 99 or 49 and have a monthly membership where you can do this live with myself and Ron every Tuesday and Thursday and see the results that other people are having for yourself. So help me grow this community, and I will give you the absolute best education I possibly can. And it's going to be absolutely nuts. Now, you guys, this is only for August. Only for August, the only month. Maybe in the future I might think about it, but it's going to be a long time. This is an August special only. That's going to go on right now. So right as I end this video, this is going to be live. And I want to see how many people we can get back on to this trading group, because this is absolutely incredible. All right, guys, I'll see you in the live group. Literally tomorrow is the next one. Take care, guys.